2016, sorry, 2026 is not the 2016. What am I?
It's really not.
2026 is not the new 2016. I said it.
Do you guys realize 2016 was the era or the beginning of content creation?
What the hell?
Okay, fine. Okay, but
2016. What are your thoughts on this whole 2026? I mean, you made your thoughts clear, but like more nuanced, deep, introspective thoughts.
So
Why
again,
are people first? Let me finish. Why are people obsessing over 2016? And what do you think it represents? Tell me.
I think firstly, not being nostalgic about something just 10 years ago sounds a bit insane to me
Hmm.
because 10 years only.
Hmm.
But then at the same time, when I look back, it feels a little bit more like 10 years, like more than 10 years. It feels like it's been so long, and there's so much changed. Like, you remember when we were kids to 2016, it feels like everything was more or less okay, not much change. 2016 के बाद everything changed.
Yeah, because that's because we were growing up in that era, right? The last 10 years is we have like had like major life events, like we did
had Gen
college, we
Z.
got like jobs, and
Yeah.
we like went through a lot of things. So I think it makes sense because this is like a really defining period in our careers, like our youth.
Yeah, but then
And also we are the only like people in our age are the ones who are actually nostalgic and obsessive over it.
no, I
Like this.
think everyone is, right?
No,
Even the
not like.
millennials are. I think it also has
And
to do.
millennials are just slightly older than us. Not like the older millennials are not, I think, doing
Okay, yeah,
it.
fine.
The younger millennials.
That's also true, but like there are people are posting these 2016 throwbacks. They're
Yeah.
posting a
But that's the
full.
trend now. And to be honest, it was only fun for a minute. I mean, for the
Yeah.
first 2, 3 hours, like, oh yeah, 2016. Like, I didn't even, like, it was okay. But now I'm just like, oh my god, like, everyone is doing it.
Yeah.
Like, brands, like,
True.
celebs, everyone is doing it. So that is when it
Celebs, I
loses
saw
its
so many
value.
people post. I saw Priyanka Chopra post her 2016, and I kind of remember every moment from her
Yeah,
2016
yeah.
throwback.
Why? Even I remember. I saw so many
I was like,
influencers.
wow. It was
2016,
Quantico.
and I was like, oh my god, I remember like literally all of those posts.
And I
And
don't
that I was
remember.
like so I follow this one influencer and I saw this post and I really like her and I followed her since 2016.
Yeah.
And I remembered every one of the posts that she like throwback photos that she posted. I was like, oh my god, my brain is filled with like random influencers.
Yeah, exactly.
I was like traumatized. I was like,
I
oh my god,
think-
why do I remember everything?
I remember that Kendall Jenner image.
Heart.
Was it 2016? That's
I
like
don't
what
know.
that was the peak Instagram when it was taking off, I think.
Yeah.
So that is there, and so many random memories too. And if you look back at those posts, they were so filter heavy, but they were somehow definitely more organic than now.
Yeah,
Right? They were literally like
100%.
just essay taken random photo of a tree with like a pink filter on it, but it looked more organic than a normal photo of a tree would take right now.
Yeah,
You know?
and also like we used to put effort in photos back then, but it was very low key effort. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like I remember when I used to take photos in 2016, 2017, like I was in college first year, so I was obsessed with taking
Yeah.
photos and I used to make sure it looks nice, but not like obsess. Like you
Right.
will see the immaturity, amateur photography skills, the sort of like slightly crooked
Yeah.
photo, the
The
hand
weird
being
angle.
cut off,
Yeah.
like that weird 2016 vibe. You
Yeah.
could see there was a vibe to it, and I think now photos look so perfect that there's no vibe.
Oh, right. That's true, actually. They're
Yeah.
all very manicured in a way,
Yeah, true.
and it's difficult to have like a personality to 2026
Yeah,
photos.
true.
2016 photos are so
Like they just have a clear
iconic.
aesthetic.
Yeah, they're just recognizable instantly.
Yeah.
And that one filter I literally cannot
Rio de
forget.
Janeiro.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know what the filter's name is, but that vibe of that colorful, let's just say, the lights and like it's this weird lens flare is happening.
Yeah. Got it.
Like
Got
it's
it.
some crazy
Do you
shit, bro.
recall that long ago? That was a 2016
Yeah?
song. I was singing. Do you
Which-
recall that long ago?
Ha, right, got it.
What a loser, my
2016, I think
god.
for her was like start of college,
Yeah,
and then for
college
me it
first
was
year.
like 9th, 10th or something probably, and it was the start of Musically. A moment I
Of silence for her traumatic,
literally,
tragic,
yeah.
musically career.
But I was kind of good at it.
I know if she would have done it, we would be
I would be the next
we would
Charlie
we
D'Amelio or
would be
whatever.
millionaires right now, sitting in some castle in Paris. But you did not continue.
Yeah.
Loser.
The transition part, it was so iconic. You
Used
would
to make musically, that was so good.
they were so good. They were like, I remember there was this one you swipe Instagram filters. There's this one trend. Oh my god. There was Despacito vibe where people were like going, and there were so many creators. But the thing is that a lot of creators at that point got stuck in those transitions and they never grew then. And except the people who actually expanded and became proper creators. And I sort of just quit it out of embarrassment. I was like, what the hell am I doing? Like,
Yeah, and it's not like you were like doing it like
Yeah.
you were just doing it for fun, right? If I'm
Oh
not-
shit! People today would not even know what Musically was. They just know TikTok. They don't know that TikTok was Musically, and they didn't know that before Musically there was Dub Smash.
Dub, I have not heard that word in so long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god! People would just not know
I
that.
think a lot of people our age would know.
There was this one Musically creator. She was so famous. She was getting really famous, and she got a Musically tattoo. So if you know Musically logo is like a red circle,
Ha 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 ha.
and she got a full tattoo.
And
of
then the
it.
company got shut down.
Literally, I was like, and then I actually a few years, maybe like a year or two back, I did remember this thought, and I went and I checked her profile, and I did not see the tattoo. She probably got it removed
I mean, makes
because it would have been
sense.
so, and it was like on her wrist. So it was
But you could
definitely
just pass it off as like a music symbol.
no. I don't
It's
think.
very
I think
evident.
it's yeah. It was very evident in a way that it sang musically. I think.
Mm.
And the logo was recognizable to the people of that generation, obviously. And I was like, it's so embarrassing. Like, literally
Oh my
getting a
God.
social media imprinted on your wrist.
Like, imagine me with like a YouTube tattoo or
Yeah,
an Instagram
literally.
tattoo. My
And like,
God.
even if you get an Instagram tattoo, what if Instagram just changes its logo or something? Bro, we're stuck with that old logo.
Yeah.
Remember that old camera logo? Ooh, Instagram used to have that
That
brownish
yeah.
yeah,
The
that
camera one.
camera. Tumblr was a thing back then.
Yeah, but I don't think we ever used Tumblr.
I didn't use Tumblr.
Yeah,
No,
I
I
never
was not.
used Tumblr.
I was very new to social media only at that point, like Facebook, and Facebook was there a bit earlier, but Instagram was sort of at its peak. Technically not at its peak. Now it's at its peak, I think.
Yeah.
But
I
it
mean,
was
no, it's not at its peak now. I think it was at its peak. Like,
2018.
depends on how you define peak. Like, money wise
True.
and all. Like, yeah, but like
Hype wise, it was
content
definitely
and,
then.
like, you know.
Now it's content
Now
and
it's in
money.
mature stages.
Yeah.
It was not growing.
Fair,
It was growing
fair.
at the time.
So I was very new to Instagram and I was just exploring. I was posting some brand. I posted a photo of this amazing French Dutch braid I did on my hair.
Classic 2016.
Right? And the funny part is not the braid or the photo. The photo was great, the braid was great, the filter on it was great. But I had dandruff. The dandruff is visible in my hair. It's
Wow.
so embarrassing.
That is.
Thank God I have it archived, but I don't have the guts
But
to
I'm pretty
delete
sure no
it.
one is gonna like look at your dandruff.
No,
It's that visible.
it's evident. It's
Oh my
very
God.
evident.
What else was going in 2016? A lot of random prints, galaxy print, unicorn print.
Oh, yeah, and mustaches was a thing back
No,
then.
I don't think I was. Was that
Owl
2016?
print. That's just
That's
millennial.
that's millennial core.
That's not
2016 trend.
2016.
2016 was like I think like rainbows a lot for some reason.
Unicorn. Oh, be a unicorn in a field of horses.
Keep calm and carry on. That was 2016.
Lush life was 2016.
Oh, 2016 had great,
Oh, wow.
great
There's a
music.
bandar over there. Sorry. I am just so
I can't
fascinated
even-
by
I can't even
animals
see.
today. Anyway, and what else? I remember my 2016 was actually relatively much less cringe, I would say, apart from my TikTok
No,
phase.
mine was not that.
I think we went on a
cringe.
family trip that year when we went to Muscat. So that was a very non-cringe phase.
Hmm.
Even the photos, for some reason, we have non-filter photos from that era. You remember seeing those reels like when I went to Paris in 2016, but I had that cringe era.
Yeah.
And it's like a tilted photo of Paris with the
Yeah.
pink filter, And oh my
And the
god.
best part is when I had a Snapchat era and all my photos are with a flower crown or
And
something.
why did we have 2000 streak?
Why do you still use Snapchat? So you better
No,
not
I
call
don't
me.
use it anymore. I mean, I have it, but I just click one photo a month type.
Pathetic. I think I deleted my Snapchat account.
Really?
I think
You
so.
also deleted your Insta, I think.
Yeah,
You are deleting
I just
everything
did,
every
yeah.
other day.
Yeah.
What else? What else was there in 2016?
Mm,
In terms of Bollywoods and movies and everything.
like there was Stranger Things that just started the show. Yeah.
In 2016?
Yeah.
2016.
Yeah. Why is that so shocking?
Because there are only like 5 seasons.
Yeah, it took a while to get it done.
For what?
Yeah, I mean that's the question.
Oh,
I didn't even
actually,
watch.
I do remember seeing reels of how Millie Bobby Brown was a literal child and now she's married and has a kid. And Stranger Things, they just reached 5 seasons. So weird, weird. They are just torturing us at this point at producing shows so slowly. I remember 2016 was also when I used to watch a lot of
Sorry.
Friends and everything.
Sorry. If you know what I referenced, I don't think anyone knows. Do you know what I referenced?
No?
Sorry.
Etras?
No. Sorry. And what's that character? That TV show character.
Sorry can mean anything.
No, he says it in a specific. I can't remember his name.
It's anyway.
Closer came out. Closer song. I love that song.
Oh, that was when the Musical.ly was at its like peak because that song, the transition was going viral.
Oh,
So it was
yeah.
like, baby, pull me closer. And then in the backseat, and then you twist the thing, and then you do like rover.
Chokers. I was
Ah.
wearing a choker
Yes.
all the time. Like I would go clubbing in my first year of college
Yeah.
wearing my skinny jeans,
And there was
my
this one-
crop top, and my choker.
There was
And
this
that
one
was an
specific
iconic
design
look.
of a choker also.
Yeah, the jolly,
Jolly,
the
like
net
this,
one.
this.
I had like good like 6-7 chokers,
Yeah.
and all were from Sarojini, and they would just wear them. I'm like, oh, choker,
Oh,
choker,
I think
choker.
choker as a concept is still.
It can look cool if
It
you
looks.
do it.
There's one creator who wears like a very thin scarf as a choker, like this thin.
Oh, that
it's
looks
a
nice.
vibe.
Yeah.
I think it.
But oh my god, chokers had me in a chokehold, literally. Like I was.
I was not in college, so I don't have those memories because I was just at home.
It was the first
sitting.
time I went
Drank.
clubbing, drank. So many. It was a year
year
of
of
first
firsts.
experiences for me. Like almost everything I did that year was like first time I'm doing it because I moved to a new city.
Yeah, and I
It was a
remember
very iconic era.
you sent
Off-shoulder
on.
tops. I was thinking of fashion trends. Like, I had like so many off-shoulder, cold shoulder tops
Yeah.
were a thing, and
And
crop
there was
tops were
this-
just like new.
True.
Yeah.
Crop tops are still very much there.
Yeah, but like they were like a newer concept.
Yeah,
crop
yeah,
tops
yeah,
and
fair,
off-shoulder. Oh my god, I remember I had like so many off-shoulder crop tops. Like
I-
classic college 2016.
yeah,
look.
I don't like off shoulders. They're weird.
To be honestly, I mean, like I don't like cold shoulder with like a cutout, but off-shoulder can look really nice.
Oh right, sorry, I was thinking of a cold shoulder.
Yeah.
They're different.
Yeah.
Oh, cold shoulder is bad. Off shoulder is maybe
I think it can look
acceptable.
really cool.
Yeah,
if
maybe
you do it
acceptable.
well.
Yes.
What else? What else was going on? Okay, let me open some trends that were happening.
Yeah.
Westworld, Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones also started that year. I had no idea.
Game
No,
of
I don't think
Thrones
so.
was a nice show. They ended it badly, but yeah.
No, I loved it.
ending. The ending was shit.
No, it
Everyone
didn't
died.
start. It started in 2011. Why does it
11?
end? Yeah, my god, that's crazy.
Wow, that's 15 years.
Explore what was trending.
Years? I'm literally shocked.
That's not that
can't
shocking. I
believe-
mean, obviously.
No, it's shocking. I didn't think it was 15 years old.
Air Dil Hai Mushkil, Airlift.
Yeah.
Kurta
Oh,
Punjab.
that peak. 2016. The Dear Zindagi.
Oh, I saw that movie in the theater. I was 30 minutes late.
Oh,
in the
really?
Theater, yeah.
I've seen that movie multiple times.
I had seen that movie a million times. The first time I saw it, I was very confused because I didn't know anything that had happened. And I started that movie when they had already met, like
Right.
Alia and Shah Rukh. The first
Oh,
time. I was
I
like
see.
pretty late, so I didn't know. I didn't have any context of the movie. So I was just like watching.
I remember when we went on that trip, I went to meet a few of my friends and we went to see a movie. I think Captain America for some reason. And then I don't remember that movie at all because my friend and I were just talking the entire time. Why did we even go to the movie? I don't know.
I think the one thing that I regret from 2016, not regret, but I mean, maybe I wish I'd done less of it, but taking all my photos with like a Snapchat filter.
Yeah, I agree.
But like that flower crown and that dog. Flower crown, I think I got over in a year, but I think that dog filter, I wore it for like a good 3-4 years. I think
You
I
don't
wore
see
it.
them on Snapchat, and when you put them now, I've tried it. They make you look white. How are we okay with looking so white?
But we didn't even notice it, and that time it was just.
Yeah,
I don't know.
that's true. And I remember, so my life was a bit boring in 2016, so I used to use Snapchat and I used to send her everything on Snapchat with ugliest filters.
Yeah.
And I would do random shit on Snapchat. So, yeah. What?
I was trying to discreetly tell her to come because you're getting cut off from the frame, but she's like, what? What a loser. You can't take like, subtle hints. You have to learn to do that as creators.
I can't help
I was
it.
like, oh my god,
Yeah.
She's like, kya? What?
I again thought there was a dog or a bird or something. It's so chilly.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I remember winters in 2016 used to be extreme. Don't you remember? Everything was so much more colder, and now we're like, global warming is happening. It's not as cold. What?
That is such a random take, but okay.
It is a
Oh
fair
my
take.
god. 2016 has a lot to reminisce, but now I
But
want to
no,
get in.
that's the part we don't need.
That's what I'm saying. That's
Okay.
what. God, that's what I was getting to. I was like gonna get into how. I read this amazing tweet, not tweet or thread or something. I don't remember
Yeah.
the creator. So I read that how this is like a propaganda by like big firms, and how this is a propaganda by big firms to basically get all your like private data
From
and
2016.
to get like AI to train on like to train the AI on like how face changes, how people evolve,
Yeah.
trends and culture and stuff like that. Mainly just facial study, but it's like insane. I never heard of that.
Yeah, because it is a bit too early to be nostalgic about something which is just 10 years ago. Right?
Yeah.
Because usually when you think of nostalgia, you think at least 50 years or 100 years back, I feel. Okay, not so much.
No, and
Okay.
nostalgia can also be
Right.
for like no. The problem is here is not nostalgia. I feel you can be nostalgic for something that happened last year, right? Like if I live in
Got-
Delhi
right,
and you
right,
move to
right,
Mumbai, you
right.
can be nostalgic. Nostalgia is fine. You can be nostalgic for something that happened 2 weeks back also. That's fine. I know nostalgia is generally associated with like a more further duration,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's
yeah.
fine. I think that's not a problem. The problem is that this is manufactured nostalgia.
Yeah,
This
but-
feels very like a trend that has been shoved. That oh my god, reminisce, and
Yeah,
just
because,
like
yeah,
everyone's
that's
doing.
true. Because when we entered 2026, it didn't even cross my mind that 2016 was 10 years ago. I didn't think of that from that angle
Yeah,
at
and,
all.
like, I'm pretty sure like no one did. It's like a nice, cute little trend. Like it was a like nice, cute little caption you can use or whatever. But I think it was just so intense. Everyone was doing it. It was like so like you just have to do it. It is 26 is the 2016. Like it was
Yeah.
just very forced. And that is what I don't like. Most trends right now and most sort of
They are more
pop culture
forced.
moment that happen are sort of manufactured by brands. Like if you think about like Brat Summer is such a big part. Barbie was like such a manufactured thing. Like so many things that
But
we
then
go
I think
through
people
are.
also have that consumption for everything, even for like a random trend, like those viral Biscoff cheesecake. People were like, oh, it's Biscoff is making this trend so that they profit
Dude,
more.
but that's very common. Brands do that. Brands must like if for example I don't know if it is or it's not.
If
but
they
it's
have the
very easy.
budget, if they have the
Yeah,
vision
like
for
all
it.
they have to do like reach out to like 100 global creators. And Biscoff is a big company. I mean, I'm not saying that they are, but it can be 100% easily possible.
Yeah, I guess. But I try not to look at it from that lens because then literally.
But we have to be aware that that's a very
well, it's
small trend, right?
influenced
That's
by
just a,
everything then.
But that's a very small trend. That's like a basic recipe. Who cares?
Yeah.
But this is like a massive thing that is just.
That they're gonna,
Taking-
kind of benefit from as a as a brand or as something. Maybe they'll start selling 2016 merch. Who knows? They'll bring back all those random
And
things.
who's
we-
they?
Yeah. Shit.
Who
They,
is selling?
them,
Them is evil.
evil capitalists.
Wow, new word is learned today.
Them, you know them, right? Them. Also, you never know. I mean, see, but then if you look at everything from that lens, you lose the joy in everything. If you are always skeptical, oh, it's a propaganda. Oh,
Dude,
I know you have to be aware, but
No,
then you
no, no,
can't
no,
be
no.
too aware also. Controversial opinion.
it's not controversial, it's just plain stupid. No. So what the thing is, I get you can't overthink everything, and that is not something that has happened right now.
Right.
Even when we didn't have internet, when we didn't have mobile phones or whatever, a lot of these trends were started by maybe the government, the brands, or some people. Like that's how things go. Like things trickle down. But I'm just saying that now it's so much easier for brands to do it. Like everything is turning into marketing. Was my point.
Right.
Like things, obviously these things happen, but it's just turning too, and it's becoming too obvious. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, 2016 one did feel a bit forced.
It was just so clearly manufactured, and it was like, oh yeah,
Yeah.
now reminisce. But why?
But I'm also very anti 10 years ago is not nostalgia. It shouldn't be.
I mean,
10 years,
I
like
don't know.
nostalgia should be like something from your childhood.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. na, It can be anything, but it's fine. I know.
It's a very grey area in a way.
Hmm.
Like, okay, it makes sense, but it also doesn't make sense.
No,
at
I
the
get what
same
you're
time.
saying, and I actually said something similar, and I was talking to a friend of mine that we just had that. We don't need to be nostalgic for that. But I'm just saying that even if someone is, it's fine. But I don't like the way that this whole trend had propagated into our lives. It's giving me
Yeah.
like cultural whiplash. It's like, oh my god, like just because we don't have anything. If you think about it, what defined 2025? Nothing.
Nothing.
Like, literally nothing.
I think the last defining year was probably pandemic, COVID defined
Yeah.
that, and then the rest of the
And
years were
everything
very.
is branded. Like every trend, if you see, has been very
Like
brand.
as you said, Brad Summer was 2024.
And this year is
Bar-
leading up to be that
Bible Heights.
Wuthering Heights. You know that
Yeah,
movie?
no, I don't know that.
Oh, it is
You-
100%. I'm pretty sure that was one of my strongest. Especially in fashion, it's going to definitely have a very big impact. But I know that movie is going to be huge, and I can't wait for that movie. I'm dying to watch that movie.
By they, I just remembered. By they, it can also mean like those fashion brands who probably push 2016 outfits on
It can
you.
be, and that's what I'm saying.
It
It
can
can be any business, right?
Yeah,
it can
yeah.
be your coffee shop who wants to sell you like a very vintagey drink, or it can be your social media platform who wants you to engage more, reminisce more, go use the app more. It can be, it can be anything.
Yeah. So, 2016 was a decade ago.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just concluding the video.
Okay, okay.
2016 was a decade ago. Didn't feel.
And I also feel one more point I would like to add that I think it feels like a coping mechanism also, because
To cope from.
just the lack of nothingness. Because when you don't have culture, you try to create culture.
Right. And remember, we were so carefree, we were so stress free.
I think it was just a good era in most of Gen Zs, like
Gen
this
Zs
particular, like
specifically,
people
yeah.
who are 25 to 30. It was a good era in their life. A lot of good things happened. Maybe not good, or maybe some impactful things. It doesn't necessarily
Yeah.
have to be good.
And
a lot
now
of big
it's,
decisions.
it's rather boring.
Now it's just leaning into mundaneness, and now you're thinking back about it, which
Yeah.
is fine. I mean,
But I again think
I'm pretty sure people in 2010, 2015 were thinking about how 90s were the best.
probably, but again, I feel technology is like a major part in all of this.
Yeah.
Right? If there was no technology, there wouldn't have been so many differences, probably.
Yeah,
Right?
true.
Even if you compare 1990s to 2010, the biggest change would have been computers came,
Oh, yeah.
internet came,
True.
and now the internet has expanded so much that I
We're
don't think
reminiscing the simple internet.
where we were just probably playing games on
Farmville.
something
And,
like that,
Instagram,
or
like literally
Cityville,
breakfast
It
photos.
Girl, and
My
now
god, it girl.
it's a great game.
I
But now we're just so bombarded by all this social media, tech, all of it, that we just are literally looking back at simpler times maybe.
Yeah.
It could, I think majority of it revolves around the rise of internet technology only.
True, 100%. Because I'm pretty sure 2016 was very tech heavy at that time. Like we probably thought that, oh my god,
Yeah.
so much technology.
But I
Can't believe
remember
we have
we used to-
Instagram.
we used
Can't
to
believe we
think
have Snapchat.
2020 would have flying cars. We're nowhere near that.
I
But
mean, no, we are near that. Like that's happening.
cars
Like,
are not flying, okay?
not our cars are not flying, but like some cars are flying. I've read
Yeah.
like, there has been some development.
Yeah.
Obviously not for the general public.
Yeah.
But oh my god, this video is getting really long, so I think we should just probably
Yes.
end. But please,
What
please
is your favorite
subscribe.
2016? Yeah, that too. Please subscribe, but also comment down what's your favorite 2016 memory or whatever. You know,
Yeah.
just something. And subscribe, please. We need it. Digital begging. Hashtag.